Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So after 1 month of my spiritual awakening, I actually experienced divine oneness. So that time divine told me one statement, that now enjoy this life journey on earth. That was one particular statement what divine told me. And then when I was actually guided to shift at a spiritual place in 2023. So that time what was happened, that I was not able to see the future, wherein I am always aware about my own future, what is happening next. So I told to divine, why am I not able to see anything? Tell me what is going to happen next. So divine said, why do you want to know everything? It's not good to know everything. So I said, no, I should know everything all the time, especially about my future, what is going to happen next. So divine told me again that it is not a good thing to know in and out everything about your future, because there are soul shocks which are needed for a person to experience, because it's a different sort of energy. But then also at the same time there are surprises also. So if you already know everything, how would we surprise you? How will you experience that happiness if you already know what is going to happen in your life? So that was the statement when divine told me that there are soul shocks and surprises which person need to experience, and because of that a person should not be aware about in and out thing. So how I have been since my childhood, I have always been aware about my future. So especially the destined career. So now that was the reason that now I was not able to see anything. It was something which was blocked by divine intentionally. So as divine said that there are soul shocks and surprises which are needed, so that time I said okay, no problem. So then I decided to move at that place which was exactly unknown to me. I have been there at that place, but then all of a sudden shifting, almost permanently, I can say. I actually decided to go there for an year time, and I did not know for how long I will have to stay there. Will I have to come back, or will have to shift from that location to some other location after some time, or what will happen in that location? I had no idea. Another acceptance I had before shifting to that place, the entities attack, I was not able to stop. I will be able to stop, because this is that place is such a sacred place, and there were a particular reason that divine brought me there. So I was at least happy that these entities attack will get stopped. So when divine said that you should not know everything because of soul shocks and surprises, and then I said okay, I will go ahead and walk into this journey of unknown, where I'm not at all aware about anything. So by that time I already left my job and I was not working, and now it was just about doing my practices, the spiritual practices, those inner work. And I actually removed this twin flame only after shifting at that place, that sacred place. Before that I was already struggling a lot. So that was one thing which I experienced immediately after shifting at that place. There was also one more thing, one sort of particular mastery of a particular realm, so which is so powerful. So if I talk about every other realm when it comes about spirit world and the powers, that is the topmost realm. So there is other realms comes after that. So this realm is actually on top when it comes about having powerful entities. And I saw that these entities are like always with me, and I did not want to actually communicate or talk, but then divine wanted me to do some sort of mastery related to this this particular realm. So now I was thinking, why do I have so many powers? Why do I these entities are loving me a lot and always protecting me? I have not even asked or invited. Then I thought maybe the DF title, I've taken it lightly, and DF is so powerful and been blessed with so many spiritual powers and gifts. So but still I had this question, why divine want me to master this particular realm? And I understand that I hold a lot of power, and this is the most powerful realm, and the entire entity in that particular realm always follows what I asked. I said, how do they do it and why do they do it? So I realized that lot of protection I have is because of them. They are the one who are always protecting me from those attacks of dark entities. But then as there were still a few things were left from my side which require to complete removal of these dark entities attack. There were few things in the form of habit, I can say, that I had to remove. So when I shifted at this place, I experienced that these entities were not able to attack me because of this sacred place, and also but they were able to communicate with me. They were not able to attack, but then they were definitely continuously talking to me. I could hear them what they were saying. So they said something about humans, actually what they have done on earth. So as I got to know about their shit, what they have done on earth, after my awakening, so that I have to share on different channel. And these entities attack actually got immediately stopped after the removal of this twin flame. That was my experience. So now I was at least sleep happily that these entities were not able to touch my body. And even as they were definitely able to attack while traveling, doing astral travel. So I had to do a lot of things to stop that. But then if I talk about in this 3D life, as I was experiencing these attacks, especially after sleeping during night time, so that got stopped. But that only got stopped when I was able to disconnect from this twin flame. Also, this particular location, this sacred place, I was assigned with a lot of my lessons and divine test I had to go through. And these were my final test, because I kept on going through my divine test, and divine kept on teaching me lessons and important things which were actually required for my soul mission. So now this was such a weirdest thing for me, that I'm not aware what is going to happen next. Now I also left my job, I was not doing anything, so what is going to happen? So there were a lot of important lessons what divine wanted to teach me. I thought maybe I have wasted my time. No, but it was not wastage of time. But again, that is the final level of the inner work. You will have to journey into the unknown. So that I will surely share when I start sharing the inner work for the final level. And as divine said, soul shocks and surprises are important. So I thought maybe there are few more soul shocks which I will have to go through, even after a removal of this twin flame. So this sacred place, there I shifted. It was one of the posh location in this area, wherein people, it was a 5-star hotel, wherein they used to give a property for a day, for a week, and also for a month and year. So I actually took it for an year time, because I did not know what is going to happen now next. So I had to stay there at least for an year time. So owner of this property was also staying in the same locality. There was another locality which was made as residential property. So they were staying there, and this entire family was of these dark energy vampires. So this was my test which I did not clear earlier. That was the reason that this was assigned to me. So I agreed with divine, okay, you do not want me to know what is going to happen next, and then I will walk. I am not aware where I'm going there. I understood the location, that it was a sacred place, but then I should be knowing what is going to happen next. I have always been aware about it, and now in these so many years, for the first time I will not be aware what is going to happen next. So when I shifted in the month of August, it was first week of August only, 2023, and then in mid of September 2023, I was able to completely disconnect from this twin flame. And then meanwhile, I was experiencing those tests and lessons through these energy vampires, and related to that particular area and property, and about a spiritual place, what sort of things are happening, where people talk a lot about sacred place, they always praise things. So I got to experience different thing there, that I'll share in upcoming video. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.